Now we're going to move on to making another landing page so you can get some leads and work through that. Again, if you haven't liked or subscribed, please do so. Helps the channel. Appreciate you. So if you're in kvCORE, expand the 3 lines. If you're in BoldTrails, it's already expanded. Click Lead Engine. BoldTrails will be a little lower. kvCORE, it's right here. Once you open Lead Engine, select your domain, and then hit Start Building. It's going to open up your landing page. This is how you always start, same as last time. Now this one in the top left, we're going to do an address capture one in the next video. We're going to go down to Facebook chat. Something simple on Facebook chat. Now this would be where they chat with you instead of texting you directly to your kvCORE and you get a new lead as a text lead like we did in the last video. This one, they're going to chat directly with you on your Facebook. Now it usually goes through your Facebook business page, so keep that in mind when you do it. You want to be watching your Facebook business page. And then so the submit button, which says chat with me. Well, it could be any question. I'm going to say, I'm just going to say, question answered, anything like that, as you can see. And now this is my Facebook page handle. So that's kind of what's there. It'll be there automatically. In my background, I'm going to put happy because I want my people to be happy chatting with me. Now, simple, double click on my broker icon, gets rid of it. Remember down here, if you haven't been here before, when you double click, it all is gone. So be careful. I don't want this second message, so I double click to get rid of it. Here, I'm going to click once and highlight it. And I want to do a message where I can answer somebody's question. This is a simple one. You could use this for any type of client. I'm going to say, I don't need to be your realtor. Ask me any real estate related questions. Anything like that. However you want to phrase it, anything like that. And then you fix your spelling if you're like me and get it wrong all the time, and you're good. Now this is a simple, it could be as easy as this. If you want to make it more than that, you can. And I'm just going to fix that, real estate. There you go. Yeah, I don't know if I like that, real estate related. I'll leave that off. Even though it's recommending it to do that, man, we'll see. Anyway, don't want to be too picky on myself. But there you go. And then if I don't want to have these bottoms here, I can double click, get rid of the checks. Let me double click on these white checks and it's gone. So again, this is a simple, easy message. Once again, you don't want to make it overcomplicated. You want to be very simple, vary it. Or you could say something like, would you buy a home if you had a government grant to cover your full down payment? Anything like that would work for a message. You just have to decide what you want to put in there and then run with it. There's no right or wrong. Just have some fun and make it happen. So once I like it and I hit save, it's going to pop up. I'm going to hit OK. And now I have it. Okay, it looks good. And do the same thing we showed you last time. Once you have your message, you can go right here and I can share it instantly to any of these places. I've usually been showing you Pinterest. So Facebook's, and I'm just going to show you Pinterest. And then on Pinterest, I'll make it full screen. Now Pinterest, you would have to have a picture. So if I had a really nice picture, I'll just grab a screenshot I did for a nice home. That's not really probably what I want because that was a total different one that I don't want there. Let's try Pinterest again. I forgot that I pulled that for somebody. So here we go again. I'm going to grab this Pinterest, grab a nice beach picture, or not. Anyway, as you see, I have a picture. It's being a pain in the booby, so I don't want to fight it. So I'm just going to ignore it. So then if I wanted to put it in Facebook, it would just post instantly. Pinterest, you could just copy and paste a message if you had the pin ready to go. And then you'd be set to go that way. So that way it just lets you go through and you can share it and get some leads. And then when they come right into your Facebook Messenger, you can just chat with them and answer any questions. Hopefully you give value. And then that way they're going to be like, oh, thank you so much. I need a realtor. I am interested. What can we do? It's a good way to get a conversation started. Now, this is just basic. You don't have to do this message. Like I mentioned, if you're a first-time home buyer, you could do that if you want to talk about seller, and then say, would you like to get a free home value of your home? It could be that simple. We do have a seller lead one we're going to do next. Any of those would work to help you get your leads.